Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
The next sum for you is Rakesh had 10 1 rupee coin of similar kind. He puts them exactly one on the another. Which shape is formed? Which shape is formed by such an arrangement? Okay, and your options are A circle, B cube, C cylinder, and D cone. So, Rakesh has got 10 1 rupee coin. You know 1 rupee coin, no? It will be like this. So, he has piled up the 10 rupee coin exactly one on top of the other. So, if he keeps on accumulating this 1 rupee coin on top of other, what is the shape that is going to form, children? Yes? What is the shape called as? Very good. It's a cylinder. So, he forms the shape of a cylinder. Understood? Shall we move to the next one? So, the next question is, observe the following figure. Okay, and this is your figure. So, again it's a combination of variety of shapes. Clear? So, this is a teddy bear with made with different shapes. Okay. So, now the question for you is, the first question, how many shapes are used here? Okay, and your options are A3, B4, C15 and D9. Fine. Question number 2 is, which two shapes are the same in number in the given figure? And your options are semicircle and a triangle. Okay, I'll put it across this way. It's a semicircle and a triangle. Option B, a circle and a triangle. Option C, a circle and a semicircle. Option D, triangle and a rectangle. Fine. The next question is, if all the circles in the figure are cut into half, what is the total number of semicircles in it? The options are A6, B12, C3 and D15. Fine. So now, whenever you get this type of question, what is the first thing that I have told you, children? You need to segregate, right? So now, here I can see variety of shapes. So first is the semicircle, then I have a circle, then I have a triangle, and then I have a rectangle. So let me count how many semicircles are there. It's 1, 2 and 3. So I have 3 semicircles. How many circles I have? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I have 6 circles. How many triangles I have? 1, 2 and 3. So I have 3 triangle, and how many rectangle? 1 and 2. Okay. So how many figures or how many shapes are used here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So which is the right answer here? It's option B, 4. Clear? Coming to the next question. Which two shapes are the same in number in the given figure? So just see the diagram and tell which are same in number. It's semicircle and the triangle. Where it is? Yes, it is option A, semicircle and the triangle. Okay. Now, if all the circles in the figure are cut into half, so which means if I am dividing the circle into half, naturally it will become a semicircle, right? What is the total number of semicircles in it? So how many semicircles we already have, children? The given semicircles is already 3. Okay. Now, if the circle is divided into half, so which means that if I am having 6 circles, so the circles are 6. So when they are converted into semicircle, you need to multiply it by 2, right? Because 2 semicircle will make a single circle. So 2 into 6 is equal to 12. So therefore, total is, already there were 3 circles. So 12 plus 3 equals to 15. So totally there will be 15 semicircles. Where can you find it? It's option D. So did you understand the question?